Hello guys, again we are back with another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Parkside garden hose set. Complete set. We've got one hose, one spray nozzle, two hose connector and one tap connector. This is approximately 30 meters, max is 6 bar. Hose diameter is 13 millimeters. Resistant in UV, water resistant, and of course 3 years warranty. Let's open it to see how it looks. Now, inside we've got some manual, of course. If you want to read it, is your choice. And there's the accessories. Now let's see. Oh yeah, it feels very strong. Not any cheap hose, not any thin hose. And you know, if you've got a thin hose, it will bend, etc, etc. That's very nice. And of course it is 30 meters and it costs only 14 euros, including these accessories. Okay, here we've got one spray nozzle. Just turn it on, rotating this plastic. You can connect it here with a stop, you can see. And here you can connect, of course, your hose. This is a hose connector with a stop. And of course, then tight it with your hand only, not any tools. And it is okay. And of course the same here, you can connect, and the other, a little difficult to go out, and that is the point, no leaks. This is for your main water supply. You can connect there, I will show you of course, and then from the one side of the hose you need to connect that. Just be careful, connect it right, because you will break the connections here, and then that it will go to your water supply and you can connect it. Let's move on for testing to see how we can work with that. Well guys, that was all about this Parkside garden hose set. As you can see, it's doing a great job. It is about 30 meters and it cost 14 euros only, and of course included these accessories to wash your garden, to use it with varieties of jobs that you can do into your home. Washing your car, washing your outside your garden, give some water to your plants, connect it to your pressure washer, whatever you've got into your mind. Definitely is worth the money to buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like to my videos, your choice, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos to the future coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice lovely day. Bye bye.